everyone, today we will present a short workplace scenario entitled The Difficult Parent.
This scenario shows the importance of interpersonal skills and effective workplace communication.
We will demonstrate verbal and nonverbal communication, practice grammar, and workplace ethics.
Let's see how difficult situation can be handled professionally.
Hello, good afternoon. I need to talk to you about sunscreen.
Good afternoon, sisters. Of course, please have a seat.
I saw some test result and I'm very upset. She studies at home, so why did she get such a low score?
I understand your concern. Let's have a look at her test again.
But I don't think the grade is fair.
I understand. Let me explain what happened.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Is everything okay?
Mrs. Cruz is concerned about Sam's grade.
I just want to make sure that some get being treated fairly. Okay. That's understandable. Let us focus now on how we can help some.
Some did well on some studies, but she had difficulty with others. I can give her additional practice.
But she studied.
I believe her. Sometimes students study but still need more practice. Mom, can I explain?
Yes, son.
I studied, but I was nervous. I don't understand some questions
Why didn't you tell me?
because I am afraid that you would be disappointed.
I will not be disappointed. I just want to help you.
It's okay, you can ask for help when you don't understand.
Teachers and parents should work together to support us.
I understand now. I am very sorry if you get upset with me.
It's okay, we understand that you are concerned. Effective workplace transaction require good interpersonal skills.
We should listen, respect others, and communicate clearly.
We need effective verbal communication and proper grammar.
We also use nonverbal communication such as eye contact, gesture, body language, and facial expressions. Most importantly, we should practice workplace ethics by being respectful, fair, responsible, and professional.
When problems happen, we should not immediately act.
We should listen.
Communicate, and let's find solutions together.